As the station doors slide open, a wave of light spills across the street. Welcome to Shinjuku after dark. Every evening, millions of footsteps pass through this neighborhood, yet every visitor discovers a different story. Tonight, let's explore one of Tokyo's most remarkable districts, one step at a time. Our journey begins at Shinjuku Station, officially recognized as the busiest railway station in the world. Every day, millions of passengers flow through its countless platforms and exits, making it one of the greatest transportation hubs ever built. It's hard to imagine that centuries ago, this was not a city of skyscrapers and neon signs. During the Edo-period, this area was known as Naito Shinjuku, a small post town established in 1698 along the historic Koshu Kaido, one of Japan's 5 important highways connecting Edo, today's Tokyo, to western Japan. Travelers on foot and horseback once stopped here to rest before continuing their long journeys. In many ways, we're following those same footsteps tonight, although our path is now surrounded by glowing billboards instead of wooden inns. The name Naito came from the daimyo family who owned much of this land. Their estate eventually became Shinjuku Gyoen, one of Tokyo's most beautiful parks, a peaceful reminder that history often hides beneath modern cities. Shinjuku's modern identity was shaped by tragedy. After the Great Kanto Earthquake of 1923 devastated much of Tokyo, Shinjuku suffered far less damage because of its more stable ground. Businesses and government offices gradually moved here, helping transform the district into the thriving center we see today. As we walk toward West Shinjuku, towering skyscrapers begin to fill the skyline. This is Tokyo's business district, home to international companies and the impressive Tokyo Metropolitan Government Building. From its free observation decks, visitors can enjoy one of Tokyo's best panoramic night views. On exceptionally clear winter days, you may even catch a glimpse of Mount Fuji on the horizon. Now our path leads into Kabukicho, Japan's most famous entertainment district. Bright lights, giant digital billboards, themed restaurants, karaoke, cinemas, and endless energy make this neighborhood feel alive well into the night. Although Kabukicho has a colorful reputation, most visitors simply come to enjoy its unique atmosphere. Like any busy entertainment district around the world, staying aware of your surroundings and avoiding aggressive street solicitors helps ensure a safe experience. Just around the corner, everything changes. Omoide Yokocho feels like stepping back into post-war Tokyo. Narrow alleyways, smoky grills, tiny restaurants, and warm lanterns preserve an atmosphere that has nearly disappeared elsewhere. Nearby Golden Gai tells another chapter of Shinjuku's story. Hidden within a maze of tiny lanes are dozens of intimate bars, many seating fewer than 10 guests. For decades, this neighborhood has attracted writers, musicians, filmmakers, and artists from around the world. While exploring these streets, you're also doing something wonderful for your health. A comfortable evening walk supports your heart, improves circulation, reduces stress, and can even contribute to better sleep. Health experts recommend at least 150 minutes of moderate physical activity each week, and brisk walking is one of the easiest ways to achieve that goal. Tonight's adventure is proof that sightseeing and wellness can go hand in hand. Try matching your breathing with your footsteps. Slow, steady breaths encourage relaxation while allowing you to appreciate the rhythm of the city around you. Notice the little details many visitors miss: the reflections dancing across rain-soaked pavement, the sounds of trains arriving overhead, and the fascinating contrast between centuries-old street layouts and futuristic architecture. If you prefer a quieter ending to your walk, continue toward the outer paths surrounding Shinjuku Gyoen. Here the crowds begin to fade and the city's energy softens into a peaceful evening atmosphere. Before visiting Shinjuku yourself, download an offline map. The station has more than 200 exits, and even local residents occasionally find themselves walking in circles. Tokyo is considered one of the safest major cities in the world, but basic travel awareness always matters. Keep valuables secure, cross only at designated crosswalks, and remember that vehicles drive on the left side of the road. One of Japan's greatest conveniences is never far away. Convenience stores are open around the clock, offering drinks, snacks, ATMs, and remarkably clean restrooms whenever you need a short break. As midnight approaches, the pace begins to change. Tokyo's trains stop running around midnight, so planning your return before the last train is one of the most important tips every visitor should remember. By now, we've walked through centuries of history, from an Edo-period post town to one of the busiest urban centers on Earth. Every street tells a different chapter, and every step reveals another layer of Tokyo's remarkable story. Perhaps that's the magic of Shinjuku. It's a place where ancient roads meet futuristic skylines, where quiet alleys exist beside brilliant neon lights, and where a simple evening walk becomes an unforgettable journey through Japan's past and present. Thank you for walking with me tonight. If you enjoyed this journey through Shinjuku, please like, subscribe, and join me as we continue exploring the world's greatest cities, one mindful walk at a time.